If you need to prepare your account for tax season and ensure all your billing and income records are accurate, downloading your official forms is a must. In this video, I will show you how to find and download your Airbnb tax documents. To begin, log into your Airbnb account on your desktop. Click on the menu icon, the three horizontal lines next to your profile picture, and select Account Settings. On the Account page, look for the Taxes section and click on it. Once the Taxes page opens, you will see a tab for Taxpayers. Click next to your taxpayer information to reveal the Tax Documents tab. This is where Airbnb stores official forms like the 1099-K or 1042-S for the past 4 years. If a document has been issued for the most recent tax year, it will be listed here with a Download PDF link. That's how you download your tax documents on Airbnb.